smile, right? In fact, not a tough job. And for that matter, smiling is a free therapy, right? Smiling is just like that cottage cheese. Paneer improves the dish, that quality of dish, and this improves the quality of life. Bang on, great. This smiling can reduce the one hormone called cortisol, which is a stress hormone, and it can increase the happy hormones in your brain. And you would be wondering to know that smiling cannot even match a chocolate. Seriously. So one smile is equivalent to, I was already eating one chocolate, so I'll take another chocolate out. This is full bar. Equivalent to 200 chocolates in a day. So you eat 200 chocolates and smile once, equal. That's the beauty. But why we can't smile just like puja every time? Because life throws challenges on us, unexpected challenges. Just like table topic, impromptu, you don't know what to do, you have to think on your feet. Similar way it happens with each one of us, believe me. This is how life is. And when I look back 12 years back, somewhere in 2007, when I was waiting for my 10 plus 2 results, and I was so excited because I was always brightest student, top 3 in class, and I looked at the result, second division, first time ever, short of 4 marks. Big shock for an intelligent kid. Second shock I got, I was not eligible for IIT JEE examination, engineering examination, because that time Indian government came up with this rule that only first divisioner can attend this exam, and by default any Indian parents want you to be either in IIT or NIT, if not NIT at least DIT, and I was not eligible for any of those 3 things. And third shock which I got, nobody was talking to me. My good friends, best friends were thinking that I am a loser. My parents were doubting my abilities. I was not able to trust myself that I can do something in future. Future was completely blank in front of me. And I was the one who used to laugh at those kids who used to commit suicide just because of marks. And you would be wondering to know that every hour, one Indian student commits suicide. And I was thinking on those lines. I also decided to go to one track, railway track, and end my life. Still my throat gets choked when I talk about that experience. But there was one person who realized it. He sat with me and he talked about 3 things. He just said that laugh at those politicians who have no eligibility to rule the country. Laugh at those administrative officers who have not first division ability to implement the policies. IS, IPS officers, even third division can attempt UPSC examination. Laugh at your mistakes, correct it, and go ahead. There is world beyond it. And I could look at the same problem from different angles. That is why I am standing here. When I look back now, I actually laugh at my thought. I was thinking of committing suicide. Time will definitely pass through. And we say, right, acha time aayega, apna time aayega, good time will come. Just wait for that moment. Start appreciating those small moments, right? Look at your manager, smile at him if your appraisal is not appreciable. Good job, right? Your time will come, good time will come. You are stuck in Bangalore traffic. I took 45 minutes to travel 6 kilometers. I was listening to that song on repeat mode. If you are in cab, smile at a stranger, have some interesting conversation. You don't know what you get. Probably new friendship, right? And this is how, if we appreciate those small things, we can make the difference. You would be shocked to know that India lies at 140th rank in UN Happiness Index in 2019, 140. And for that matter, below than Pakistan and Bangladesh. You will remember this data forever. Why can't we do this small job to smile and appreciate things around us? There's a famous saying, right? Dance like nobody is watching, sing like nobody is listening. We all do that, but in bathroom. Not in real life. And this is a stage where actually we do. We Toastmasters do. I appreciate all of you to be part of this forum. Why can't we do it every time? I know it's challenging. It is as tough as maintaining the whiteness of Toastmaster of the Day shoes. He's wearing white shoes today. It is tough, I know that. But it is not impossible. Nothing is impossible. You can definitely make the difference. Start appreciating things. When I was stuck in traffic, I was entering, I used my card for swiping, and security guard standing there smiled at me. My whole stress went away. Appreciate those small moments, right? We all can make it possible. India as a happy country. It is not impossible at all. The only thing which we need to do, look at around. When you look at India from Attak to Cuttack, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is beautiful. When you look at the world from North Pole to South Pole, US to Australia, world is beautiful. And more than that, your life is precious and beautiful. Appreciate it. Appreciate those small moments. Face the challenges with a smile and say cheese. I would appreciate small moments today because I believe in appreciating small things. Someone is listening to my speech carefully, and for that matter, two people today, attentively, more than anyone, my two evaluators, Harit and Ajay. This is for you. Someone who invited me on stage today, Toastmaster of the day, Arnav, this chocolate is for you guys. And there is one more person who is actually evaluating me, general evaluator, Miss General Toastmaster. She's so happy. Oh shit, I forgot. Tag team. Timer, counter, and sharing is caring. Please share your chocolate.
I'm already frustrated.
But one chocolate from me. Don't forget yourself in race of world because you are precious. Face the challenge, smile and say cheese. Back to you.
Thanks, Mr. Padmanabh. One takeaway for me: laugh at your mistakes. Toastmaster Padmanabh. Today I will take this takeaway, and I know today also I did a couple of mistakes while inviting Toastmaster Padmanabh. I didn't introduce second evaluator for him, and I didn't introduce his speech title. Say cheese. Say cheese. Forget, laugh at your mistakes. I'm